Hi, I'm Miss Shelley and welcome to my science show. In our episode on animal types, we learned that different types of animals have different body parts that help them survive in different habitats. For today's activity, we're going to create a model webbed turtle foot to demonstrate how a turtle's foot helps them swim in aquatic environments.
Miss Shelley's Science Show.
For today's model, you're going to need 3 popsicle sticks, some saran wrap, tape, scissors, and then a bowl of water. Ronnie's rule for this activity is to ask for help when filling up the water bowl. We don't want to spill water everywhere and make a mess now, do we? So the first thing you're going to do is get your 3 popsicle sticks, and you're going to put one end of them all together so they're touching. This way it kind of looks like the foot of a turtle. Then you're going to grab your tape, and you're going to tape the end where they're all touching together, just so that they don't move. Okay. Next, we're going to grab our saran wrap, and the saran wrap is going to be like the skin or the webbing between the turtle's toes. So I'm going to take my popsicle sticks, lay them on the saran wrap, and then I can wrap them up. If there's any extra saran wrap that you want to cut off, you can do that at the end. Make sure to push everything down to make sure it's stuck nice and good. And there you have it, your model turtle foot. Then you're going to grab your bowl of water, and with your turtle foot, you should be able to push the water like how a turtle uses their webbed feet when they swim. So when you use your model turtle foot, you'll notice that the water is very easily pushed in the bowl. Now, if I compare this with, say, my hand and just use 3 fingers on my hand, not as much water gets pushed around the bowl. Turtles use their webbing to push the greatest amount of water they can. This helps them swim faster. Humans have copied this and made things like flippers that scuba divers wear when they go swimming underwater. So why don't you try making your own model turtle foot, and I'll see you next time on another episode of Miss Shelley's Science Show.
Miss Shelley.